Hi guys, so right now we're here at Iloilo International Airport. So this is the waiting area for the international travel or separating ang domestic this one naman para sa international travel. So last year we went to Thailand, alright, and this year naman we will visit Hong Kong and
Macau and Disneyland
Yay!
and Ching Chatui and
I don't know.
other
So, what do you want to try when we go there?
I don't know, anything Chinese.
So, oh,
Instead of finding coffee like we can find it here in the Philippines.
uy, magkakape ako dun. Ano ka?
Yeah.
So, boarding time. Time check, it's 10 p.m. And here na kami gani. Wow. It's fogging. Can you see that? Okay, we're here at Hong Kong International Airport. What gate are we? Thank you. We're at Hong Kong. Take it there, take it there. Going to immigration. Hi guys, so right now we're waiting for our bus. Ano yung bus natin?
A32
Going to?
Ching
Saan yung hotel natin? Ay, hindi nagbabasa. Rambler Oasis. So guys, ito. Pakita mo yung binili nating ano. Bumili kami ng Octopus card. Ano na siya? For Hong Kong and for Macau. At 170 Hong Kong dollars. Meron na ring 128. So imagine 170 lagay mo times 8. Magkano yun? Around 1,000 plus. So ganon. Ganon kamahal ito. So,
1360
1,360, 1,360. O, diba? Ang mahal-mahal ng card na to. So, dapat hindi siya mawala. Are na kami sa sulod sa 8:32 bus going to our hotel. So, isa lang ka bus from the airport, Rambler Oasis na. And then, actually, need mo i-remove ang plastic ito kanina. So, amo yung may jacket, okay lang i-scan mo lang. And then, nag-minus na siya sa 19.8. So, hindi ko sure kung standard nga rate ang 19.8 kay automatic from 128 nag-minus siya. So, makita dito sa driver. Kag intudloan niya ko for the first time, kumala niya first time. So, intudloan niya ang amo ni siya para worry. So, wag siya siyang asyong. Para then, i-press niyo gid ni ang stop kung lapit na kamo sa station niyo. Ayun, walk na tayo. Hindi mo mawawala yung bike niyan. Can you see that? So, bababa lang tayo from there. Yan yung mga sasakyan nating minibus going there or Rambler Oasis na. So, yun lang. Tumawid lang tayo sa kabila after ng bus station. And for the walking na tayo. Oh, exercise. For the exercise. So yes, our anong Amon Hotel ba? So dirty. And that's our hotel. It's Rambler Oasis. So very hapos lang siya tultulon. Yeah. Let's get inside. Okay. Buksan mo, Bi. Hi guys, right now nasa loob na tayo ng minibus. Yung pamasahe dito is 4.3 Hong Kong dollars. So, kunyari 4 times 8, 32 pesos lang. We're going to saan tayo? Isang station. Isang station. Chingy Station. So, magbe-breakfast kami doon. Then from Chingy Station, MTR bus na kami. Sunny Bay and Disney MTR. Bye! See you sa Chingy Station. So this is our first meal here in Hong Kong. So I ordered beef brisket and Cal ordered conchi with di ba may kasama yan? Yung fried ano. Baka solo lang. Choose one. Baka yan lang. Baka hindi niya nakuha. Sige lang. Ano lang sa'yo? 36. Akin, $40. So, diba? 40 times 8. 320. So, almost 320 ito. Medyo maliit lang siya. Pero feeling ko okay naman. So, yung budget natin ng food ay $100 per meal.
Yeah, see that? You come to Hong Kong for some legit restaurant and you don't come to Hong Kong for some Starbucks and shit.
Maliw ka ta. Hayaan mo yung tao.
And
Ito pa talaga nagsabi na sa harap ng Starbucks.
so, yun lang. Bon voyage!